12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 4, Pair of Straight Lines. Dear students, we are going to read examples of pair of straight line. Examples. First, find the value of k if 2x plus y equal to 0 is one of the lines represented by 3x square plus kxy plus 2y square equal to 0. Here given that the line of pair of line. These are two lines. One of the line is given 2x plus y equal to 0. Use this condition and find the value of k. We find slope from this line. This pair of line converted into auxiliary equation, that is in terms of slope. Put the value of slope in this equation, then we have to find the value of k. Solution. Slope of the line 2x plus y equal to 0 is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, that is minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. As 2x plus y equal to 0 is one of the lines represented by 3x square plus kxy plus 2y square equal to 0. These equations convert in terms of slope. Compare with standard equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then a equal to 3, 2h equal to k and b equal to 2. We know that the auxiliary equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. Putting the values of a, b and 2h, we get 2m square plus km plus 3 equal to 0 is the auxiliary equation, that is the equation in terms of slope. We given that the one of the line, its slope is minus 2. Therefore, this slope satisfies the equation. Minus 2 is root of the auxiliary equation 2m square plus km plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, put m equal to minus 2. We get 2 into minus 2 square plus k into minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 2 into k minus 2k plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 2k, 8 plus 3 is 11 equal to 0. 11 take on RHS minus 11 minus 2k equal to minus 11, changing the sign 2k equal to 11. Therefore, k equal to 11 divided by 2. Alternative method. As 2x plus y equal to 0 is one of the lines represented by 3x square plus kxy plus 2y square equal to 0. Then coordinates of every point on the line 2x plus y equal to 0 satisfy the equation 3x square plus kxy plus 2y square equal to 0. Suppose in this line we take x equal to 1, then we get y equal to minus 2. Therefore, as 1 minus 2 is a point on the line 2x plus y equal to 0, it must satisfy the combined equation. Therefore, put the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2 in this pair of line. 3 into 1 square plus k into 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 square equal to 0. 1 square is 1 into 3, 3. Here is minus 2 square 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Minus 2 into k minus 2k. Therefore, 2k equal to 11. Hence, k equal to 11 divided by 2. Example second. Find the value of k if slope of one of the lines represented by 4x square plus kxy plus y square equal to 0 is 4 times the slope of the other line. The given line is combined line 4x square plus kxy plus y square equal to 0. Here this condition is given. Slope of one of the line is 4 times the slope of other. Suppose slope of first line is m1 and slope of second line is m2. Then m1 equal to 4m2. Using this condition, find the value of k. Solution. Let the slopes of the line represented by 4x square plus kxy plus y square equal to 0 be m1 equal to m and m2 equal to 4m according to given condition. Their sum is m plus 4m equal to 5m. We know that The standard equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Comparing a equal to 4, 2h equal to k and b equal to 1. Their sum is m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b equal to. Putting these values 2h equal to k and b equal to 1, we get minus k. According to given condition, sum of the slope is phi m equal to, here is minus k. Therefore, m equal to minus k divided by 5 denoted by equation 1. Now their product is m into 4m equal to 4m square. But their product is m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to a divided by b. A equal to 4 and b equal to 1, we get a divided by b equal to 4. From this condition, 4m square equal to 4. Hence, m square equal to 1 denoted by equation second. From equation first and second, we get, put the value, here is m square equal to 1, put the value of m is minus k divided by 5, then we get minus k divided by 5 square equal to 1. Here square is k square divided by 25 equal to 1. Taking multiplication, k square equal to 25. Therefore, k equal to plus minus 5. Example 3. Find k if sum of the slopes of the line represented by x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0 is twice their product. That is, suppose these are two lines. First line, its slope m1, second is m2. His condition is sum of the slopes of the lines, that is m1 plus m2, is twice their product. Then m1 plus m2 equal to 2 into m1 multiplied by m2. Using this condition, find the value of k. Solution. Let the given equation is x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0 denoted by equation 1. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square, 2h equal to k, b equal to minus 3. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines given by equation 1. We know that m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b equal to, putting the values of 2h and b, minus k divided by minus 3. Changing sign equal to k divided by 3 denoted by equation second. Also, m1 multiplied by m2 equal to a divided by b. Here a is 1 and b is minus 3 equal to 1 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 1 divided by 3 denoted by equation 3. We have given that here is condition is m1 plus m2, that is sum of the slope, is twice their product. m1 plus m2 equal to 2 into m1 multiplied by m2. It is m1 plus m2 is k divided by 3 and m1 multiplied by m2 is minus 1 divided by 3. K divided by 3 equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel. We get k equal to minus 2. Example 4. Find k if slope of one of the line given by kx square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0 exceeds the slope of the other line by 8. The combined equation is kx square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0. Condition is slope of one line exceeds the slope of other line. That means m1 minus m2 equal to 8 or m2 minus m1 equal to 8. Using this condition, find the value of k. Solution. Let the given equation is kx square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0 denoted by equation 1. A equal to k, 2h equal to 4 and b equal to minus 1. Let m1 and m2 be the slope of the lines given by equation 1. Therefore, m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. Putting these values equal to minus 4 divided by minus 1 equal to 4 denoted by equation second. Also, m1 multiplied by m2 equal to a divided by b. Then k divided by minus 1 equal to minus k denoted by equation 3. We have given that the condition according to given condition. Mod of m1 minus m2 equal to 8. We have, here is we have the value of m1 plus m2 and m1 multiplied by m2. Therefore, m1 minus m2 expressed in terms of sum of the slope and product of the slope. Therefore, the adjustment is m1 minus m2 square equal to m1 plus m2 square minus 4 into m1 multiplied by m2. Therefore, m1 minus m2 is 8. There is 8 square equal to m1 plus m2, that is 4, minus 4 into m1 multiplied by m2 minus k. 8 square is 64 equal to 4 square is 16 minus 4 into minus k, that is plus 4k. 16 take on LHS, 64 minus 16 equal to 4k. Here is 4k, 64 minus 16 is 48. K equal to 48 divided by 4. Therefore, k equal to 12. Example 5. Find k if the slopes of the lines represented by 3x square plus kx y minus y square equal to 0 differ by 4. If there is combined lines, two lines, their slopes of line is differ by 4. That is, we take m1 minus m2 equal to 4 or m2 minus m1 equal to 4. Using this condition, find the value of k. Solution. Comparing the equation 3x square plus kxy minus y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get. Here is a equal to 3, 2h equal to k and b equal to minus 1. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by 3x square plus kxy minus y square equal to 0. We know that m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b equal to, putting these values, minus k divided by minus 1 equal to k. Also, m1 multiplied by m2 equal to a divided by b. Then 3 divided by minus 1 equal to minus 3. Also, here is difference of the slope is 4. Therefore, we take m1 minus m2. We take the adjustment in terms of sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. Therefore, m1 minus m2 square equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 into m1 multiplied by m2. m1 plus m2 square, that is, put the value of m1 plus m2 is k square minus 4. And m1 multiplied by m2 is minus 3. Therefore, k square minus 4 into minus 3, that is plus 12. But we have to given that mod of m1 minus m2 equal to 4. Its square m1 minus m2 square is 16. Therefore, from equation first and second, suppose m1 minus m2 square is equation first and is m1 minus m2 square 16 equation second, then k square plus 12 equal to 16. Put these values. Then k square equal to 4. Therefore, k equal to plus minus 2. Thank you.